going on, guys? I hope you're all having a great week. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, alright? Here's how it is. I am a bearded guy. I love taking care of my beard. I love what it takes to do that. And you know what? I talk about other products along the way that help kind of pull you together. So that's hair products and shave products. And, well, I like whiskey and bourbon too. So I talk about that because, well, it makes me feel good. So if you like how that sounds, hit that button and you will know when that happens. This video is it's a first. It's not necessarily a review, but more like a first impression. And the reason I'm saying that is because I really have never reviewed a product like this before, so that's why I'm kind of making this more of a first impression. The topic on today's video is going to be pomades, specifically oil-based pomades. Give you a little history about me and pomade. Growing up, I'd watch like some of these older movies, like Grease, or Miracle on 34th Street, just some of these older movies, and the guys would always have this very well manicured hair, be slick back, and I never knew how they did it, but I always admired it. I liked that dapper look. Fast forward to 2001, a movie called Oh Brother Where Art Thou was made, and it starred George Clooney. In that movie, George Clooney's character used a product called Dapper Dan pomade, and he was obsessed with it. It was the only one that he could use, and I'd watch him use it in the movie. He'd like take it out with his comb and just like put it in his hair, and then throughout the movie he's just like restyling, his hair would get messed up and he'd just comb his hair. For whatever reason, it just really appealed to me. Now that I've started this YouTube channel, I've really been exploring different products, and what I've learned is there are basically there's a lot of different pomades, but there's two main pomades. There is your water-based pomade, which is something similar to this, and I've reviewed this product before. This is by Rocky Mountain Barber. This is a very nice product, but it's water-based. And you know it's water-based because when you read the ingredients, the first ingredient is going to be water. I decided for this video I wanted to explore using a oil-based pomade. The one I chose was Goon grease. I started with Goon grease. I saw a lot of good reviews on it. A lot of people were talking about it. This is made by Lockhart's, and the ingredients here, this is how you can tell it's an oil-based, okay? It will start with petrolatinum, which is what Lockhart uses. Now, there's other people make them differently, but this is the characteristic of from like the older, like the 1950s and things like that. Pomade, that's how it was made. They used petrolatinum or petroleum jelly based. So Vaseline, essentially, like that. So that's what they would use, and this is very similar to that product. So it's an oil-based. So this one has petrolatinum, microcystern wax, beeswax, avocado oil, lanolin, fragrance, and then 2 dyes. I've used this for a few months now because I really wanted to have I wanted to get myself some experience with it so I could make this video and just talk about like my first impression of using water-based versus oil-based. And I gotta tell you, this is a really neat experience. I really enjoyed teaching myself and learning how to use this product, and there is, for me, I really feel there was a bit of a learning curve with this. Like, let me give you the kind of what I like and don't like about water-based pomades. So with water-based, I'll tell you what I like about it is that it is easy to get in and out of your hair. You get some on your finger, rub it on your hands, get a little bit of water on that and it will activate. It kind of get a little slimy and you throw it in your hair and you style, okay? The hold is going to be a very firm hold with this particular one, and it'll hold. It has a good shine. However, if depending on what kind of job you do or what's going on around you, if your head knocks into something or somebody hits your head and knocks your hair around and you get a little messed up, you can fix that. However, with water-based, you'll wet it, fix it, but it's going to be a little weaker. The hold will not be as strong the more something like that happens. It is really rigid in the hair, depending on the level of hold you get, but this is a firm hold. Firm hold feels rigid. It's going to dry and it's going to be very hard to the touch. This is a completely different animal. So with Goon grease, it's oil-based, and it feels like grease. It's real tacky, it's very thick. And I'm going to show you that here in a minute. What I don't like about it is that it is very tough to get in and out of your hair. I've learned how to do it now, but it was when I first started using it, it was like, oh my gosh, what am I putting in my hair? Like it felt sticky and just thick. I've learned, it was one of those less is more kind of lessons that I learned with this. I don't use as much. I do have fine hair, so that was probably maybe some of the issue. I don't use as much. I spread it through my hand a little bit more so now, and I just kind of move it through my hair. It does much better, and I've gotten more comfortable using it since I started. But when I first started, it was not the most comfortable thing to use. I pressed on, and I would comb it into my hair. What I like about it is I like the look it gives. It really does hold together very well. It has a very nice shine. And this one, this is the Goon grease. This is their heavy hold product, and it does. It does have a heavy hold. And what I noticed between oil-based and water-based is that how they describe the hold. So with water-based, you're going to get firm is like their toughest hold, okay? With oil-based, they tend to describe it more in weight. So this is a heavy hold. So it means it's still going to hold, but it's going to be the strongest of the holds. The other thing that I like, going back to if your hair gets messed up, with this, guys, you just comb your hair back the way you had it. And I'm going to demonstrate that for you. We got to change some things up, okay? Hey, what's going on, guys? So, all right, here we go. I had to change up the angles here a little bit. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of show you how I apply this pomade. First things first, we just need to get the hair just slightly damp, okay? Just need a little bit of moisture in the hair. My hair's dry, no product in it here. Okay, you see my hair is a little damp. Again, here's the product, took the lid off. Really cool, I love this color. It has a very fresh, clean scent there. Now I just take a little bit out of here, and that's about all I take, right there, just that amount right there. And I move it through my hands, and this is what I'll start with. And if I don't feel like I got enough in my hair, I will go back for more. But I kind of let my hands warm up to it, get it in there. You can really even see it kind of disappears real fast. I just kind of move it into my hair here, and make sure you get your sides. Now, doing it this way has gotten a lot more comfortable since when I first started. All right, we're going to give it a comb here. Let's see how we do here. So I could probably use a little bit more. Yeah, not much. Get going in my hand again. And this time, since I've already started combing it, I'm just kind of going to brush over it real lightly. And again, this is my method. It works for me. It achieves what I want it to achieve. If you guys got some other tips or anything, by all means, leave those in the comments below. I am all about that. I like those discussions. So it is greasy, so I have had to wash my hands a bit. We'll just keep combing again. And there, to me, I think that's acting a little bit better. And typically when I do this, I usually do it right around I'm out of the shower, so like the dampness of hair that I've dealt with in the past has been a little different, but I'm pretty much getting what I normally get out of that. And what's nice is it still lets you kind of manipulate the shape a little bit. And there we go. It feels a little stiff still when you put it in your hair. As the day goes on, it does soften up a little bit, and that's where that, like being able to comb it again, really does work really well. So I'm gonna kick it back over to the other camera, okay? Hey, what's up, guys? So, back at the normal camera now. And this is, there's Goon grease right there. Yeah, I do like, overall, guys, I like this product. I really do. Going back to what I said, it's tough to get in and out of the hair. If you decide to use this product, I would suggest be willing to have it in your hair for at least 2 to 3 days. Let me know your thoughts if you are somebody who's using this product. Let me know in the comments below, but I'll go about 2 days, and then I take it out. I will probably make another video on how to get it out of your hair. Let me show you how this works here. So as far as the mess up goes, there, my hair is messed up, all right? Just comb it again. Good, make sure the back's good. There we go, straighten that out. And there we go. It's that easy to fix when you have that kind of stuff in your hair. It smells good. I do like the way it feels. I like the way it looks. So let me know your thoughts, guys. Overall, I really like it. And the product that I was talking about, Dapper Dan, that actually is a real product. So that's probably gonna be a future video. I really enjoyed learning about oil-based pomade. Overall, guys, I do enjoy using it. So let me know your thoughts, all right? You guys have a great week. Take care.